My today's video is about a basic mathematics. So I would like to request you all that you should tap on the subscribe button. So let's get started without wasting time. So this is our question. This is a tricky question. You should watch the video till the end. Okay. So now take both side power by 1 divided by 9. So here 3 power is whole power 1 divided by 9. Then here s power 9 whole power 1 divided by 9. Okay. So then there is a formula, as we all know, that a power x whole power y. So the formula comes out x and y. So we have to write this equation a in the form of this formula. So here 3s divided by 9 is equal to s 9.1 divided by 9. So here 9 and 9 get cancelled out. 9 and 9 get cancelled out. Then after 3s divided by 9 is equal to s. Now take power by 1 over s on both sides. Okay, so here 3s, then this is 1 over s. Here s1 divided by s. So this and this will be cancelled out. So here s1 divided by s is equal to 3 1 divided by 9. So we have to keep this and we will work on this one. Okay, so we have to sum the base, so that's why we will work on this. Then s1 divided by s is equal to 3 1 divided by 9 multiply by 3 divided by 3. When I will cancel out, then it would be not affect this value. So then after it is equal to s1 divided by s, just you have to multiply. Okay, 3 divided by 27, 9 multiplied by 3 27, and the power 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. So you have to note down this on your notebook. Okay, this is a tricky question. So here again I will split this one. So s1 divided by s is equal to 3 times, then 1 divided by 27. Then according to the formula, s1 divided by s is equal to, then this formula will be applicable, a x whole y. So here 3 then 1 divided by 27. So I have just applied this formula. Okay, so here we have to consider that s1 divided by s is equal to 27 1 divided by 27. So that's why we have to if the power denominator and the bases would be same, we will use the formula over here. Okay, So here this is power denominator and this is base. If they are same, this is power denominator and this is base. If they are same, then I will use here a formula, okay, simply, then we will get answer. So the formula is, I will write here the formula. Mathematical math is, all depend on the formulas, so you should keep in mind all the formulas, okay. So here then I will apply the formula. A1 divided by A is equal to B1 divided by B. So in the above case, there power base and this question, power denominator base and the power denominator and question base are same. Here you can see. So now I will apply directly. It is equal to, this formula is equal to A is equal to B simply. In our case it would be S is equal to 27. So just we have to take A is equal to B. We have to ignore this one, okay. We have to ignore the powers. A is equal to B, just take this one and this one, ignore the powers according to this formula, okay. So this is our answer. Now if you want to verify it, let's verify, okay. So 3s is equal to s9, so we have to put instead of s27, okay. 3 times 27 is equal to 27 into 9, then 3 into 27 is equal to 3 into 3, then 9, okay. So then according to the formula, 327 is equal to this formula, okay. A x and y is equal to a x y. So according to this formula I will apply here, okay. So then 3.9, 327 is equal to 3, this would be multiply, okay. The 3 multiplied by 9, 27. So our left hand side and right hand side are equal, so our answer is correct. So thank you so much viewers, please tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much.